Hi everyone, in this video I'll be talking about my instrumentation and measurement unit project, which is a smoke detector. So to build this project, I used an Arduino Uno, an MQ2 smoke detector, and a buzzer. To connect all the components together, I used jumper wires, as you can see. These are jumper wires. And the three pins in the smoke detector, which is VCC ground and output, is connected to the Arduino Uno. And this is the buzzer, which is connected to the Arduino Uno. Once the circuit is complete, all it needs is power. So we're gonna give him power from a computer. Alright, so as you can see, the board is on. I'm gonna run it for the software. Run. Alright, so these are the values. So now let's test the smoke detector. As you can see, it detects smoke and which activates the buzzer.